Dubai, the ultimate holiday destination. Dubai is full of extreme beauty. Not only beauty, entertainment for the family, and much more. Taking you back to May 2013, the government of Dubai launched a Dubai tourism strategy for 2020 with the key objective to attract at least 20 million visitors a year by 2020 and making Dubai a first choice destination for international leisure travel as well as business travels. The strategy was expanded by setting new goals of attracting 21 to 25 million visitors by 2025, and definitely they have reached their goal. Right now, Dubai continues to be one of the fastest growing destinations for tourists in 2025. Dubai has been nicknamed the shopping capital of the Middle East. The city draws large numbers of shopping tourists from countries within the region and as far as Eastern Europe, Africa, Indian subcontinent. Dubai is known for its souk districts. Souk is the Arabic word for market or place where any kind of goods are bought. Modern shopping malls and boutiques are also found in the city. Dubai do have a reputation for being one of the most expensive shopping destinations in the world, so make sure your credit cards can handle it. While boutiques, some electronic shops, department stores and supermarkets may operate on a fixed price basis, most of the outlets consider friendly negotiations as a way of life. Dubai's numerous shopping centers cater for every consumer needs. That's cars, clothing, jewelry, electronics, furnishings, sporting equipment, and any other goods will all be likely to be under the same roof. Add this to your diary. The Dubai Shopping Festival is a month-long festival held during the month of January each year. During the festival, the entire emirate becomes one massive shopping mall. Additionally, the festival brings together music shows, art exhibitions, folk dancing, and much more. The Dubai Summer Surprises is a summer version of the Dubai Shopping Festival held during June, July, and August. Dubai government launched Dubai Summer Surprises in I think it was 1998 in order to promote Dubai as a family holiday destination. Tourists are required to obey some Muslim religious restrictions in the public, even if they are not Muslim themselves, such as refraining from eating and drinking in the public places in the daytime during Ramadan. Dubai has a modest dress code as part of a criminal law. Sleeveless tops and short dresses are not encouraged at the Dubai's mall. Clothes are advised to be in appropriate lengths. Homosexuality is criminalized in Dubai, including for tourists. However, there is a vibrant underground gay scene in Dubai, and authorities do not actively search for homosexuals to enforce the law. Now, this next bit of information is extremely important. Travelers entering Dubai are warned for harsh penalties regarding illicit drug use or smuggling. Authorities in Dubai are highly sensitive to conduct thorough searches to find trace amounts of illegal substances. A senior Dubai judge was quoted on February 11th by the Dubai City News saying, "These laws help discourage anyone from carrying or using drugs. Even if the quantity of illegal drugs found on someone is less than 0.05 grams, they will be found guilty. The penalty is a minimum of 4 years. The message is clear. Drugs will not be tolerated." Regarding health in Dubai, no special immunization are required, but tourists are encouraged to purchase appropriate medical insurance before traveling. Dubai is also competing against the rest of the world in international championships. Dubai do host at the present moment Dubai World Cup. This is the richest horse race in the world. Dubai Classic, the golf championship, Barclays Dubai Tennis for both men and women, UIM World Powerboat Racing, Rugby Sevens, Dubai International Rally, Dubai Snooker Classic, the UAE Desert Challenge, the Standard Charter Dubai Marathon. These are all international events hosted here in Dubai. Now we've gone through the preliminaries, time to plan your next holiday right here in Dubai. Dubai definitely have lots to offer. You've got lots of beaches to pick from along Dubai's famous palm tree shaped island and its sand covered coastline. Most of them have an impressive view of the city's skyscrapers. Some of the sandy beaches are the JBR Beach, Jumeirah Beach and Sunset Beach, so do check them out. JBR Beach is known for its prestige white sand and clean warm water. Here you can try water sports like sailing, banana boating and parasailing, plus much more. Just to remind you about the temperatures, the average weather in Dubai, it runs from 38 degrees centigrade. This is in May. June is roughly about 40 degrees centigrade, and it goes up and up as July, August, September, October. And the highest point is, I should say really, 42 degrees in August. Then it begins to come down a little bit down back in October through November. The Al Safar Beach. If you want to get away from the crowds, do check this out. The sandy beach flaunts panoramic views of the city's iconic skyline, and the shallow waters make it ideal for children and families, of course. For those of you traveling from the UK, especially if you're traveling from Gatwick or possibly anywhere in the UK, it's approximately 6 to 7 hours flight, so be prepared for that, 6 to 7 hours flight. Here's a list of some of the hotels, which is the Retreat Palm Dubai. That's one fantastic hotel. Also the Delano Dubai, not forgetting NH Collections Dubai by the Palm, Taj Exotic Resort and Spa, Jumeirah Mina Al Salam Hotel, and not forgetting the Marriott Resort Palms. These are some beautiful hotels, so do check them out, and they are reasonable. I must remind you to do a night tour, so whichever hotel you're staying at, they will organize a night tour for you. It's very, I should say it's spectacular. Nothing like what you've seen before. If you're looking for a 5-star hotel, do check out the Hilton Dubai. It's just yards from the beach, and the place is packed with luxury touches, so you'll feel like a member of the Dubai elite. This hotel has 5 bars, 3 restaurants, kids pools, outdoor pools, much more. So do check this out right here at the Hilton Dubai. As I said, this one is extremely close to the beach. As I said earlier, Dubai is a city known for luxury shopping, ultra-modern architecture, and a lively nightlife entertainment scene. When you're in Dubai, don't forget to hop on the monorail, taking you to Palm Jumeirah. Here you can explore the architecture and much more. Less than 40 minutes from downtown Dubai lies the mystique-filled Arab desert. Here you can go on a desert safari to fulfill your day. Dubai's mall is the largest destination for shopping, entertainment and leisure, located next to the world's tallest building. That's the Burj Khalifa, featuring over 1,200 retail stores, 2 major department stores and hundreds of food and beverage outlets. Just to remind you, you will need a full day at this shopping attraction, so be prepared for a full 6 or 7 hours. For those of you who's very brave, skydiving opportunities are available. Adventure seekers, speak to your hotel and arrange a skydiving trip. The perfect day can end with taking a walk along the tree-lined avenues with all the shopping, restaurants and much more. Don't forget all the artwork by the artists there. Extremely eye-catching artwork. If you would like to take in a concert or two, you can check out the Middle East's largest indoor arena for any concert, comedy shows and much more. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, the like button, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one.